Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Metaplex token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Metaplex is get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I'll show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search MPLX, click, and you will see MPLX on Alpha. You can click it. Then this is the charts. It's not looking good, I guess, but you can see the details here. You can click info in the top and you will see the 24-hour volume, high and low. And yeah, if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom. Then you can choose instant buy or limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.